Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change pitch of the voice in the VoiceOver on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, it is all going to work the same, even you have the different version of the iOS. So let's go to the settings, then you want to go to accessibility, then voiceover, and then speech. And now you can change the pitch level. The 0% is going to be the lowest pitch, and the 100% is going to be the the highest pitch. Also, you can change, you can select the pitch change. So if you want some, modulatory, something like that. So I will show you. Let's go with the 0%. Now turn on the voiceover.
VoiceOver on, settings, accessibility, back button.
So now, as you can see, the voice is really low. If I'm going to let's just turn on let's turn on the voiceover. Now if I'm going to take the pitch to 100 and then go and turn on the voiceover.
VoiceOver on, settings, accessibility, back button.
Now, as you can hear, the voice is really high, so you can change this with those settings that I have shown you.
VoiceOver, switch button, VoiceOver off.
Right now. Also, the pitch change is going to be that you're going to get a little bit different sound of and more natural speaking of the voiceover. So I advise you to select the pitch change to on. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!